Number 10 in your review says that we want to find the measure of angle A in the diagram on the right over here. So our first thing that we notice, we have this right triangle, and we have the coordinate points for this point are 5, 8, which means our x value is 5 and our y value is 8. That means we've moved 5 spaces on our x-axis, so I've labeled this length as 5, and 8 spaces on our y-axis, so I've labeled our height as 8. Now, when we want to find what this angle measure is, think of your SOHCAHTOA, all of your trig functions. We have sine, cosine, and tangent. So means that we would take the sine of the angle and put it opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is taking the cosine of the angle and equaling it to adjacent over hypotenuse. And tangent is taking the tangent of the angle and setting it equal to opposite over adjacent. Because this 8 is the opposite side and 5 is the adjacent side, we're going to use tangent. So we have the tangent of A is equal to 8/5. To find the angle measure, you want to do the inverse trig function. So here we're going to do the inverse tangent of 8/5. And you can plug just that into your calculator, and it should give you 57.99, which we can round to 58 degrees. If you get something weird like a 1.2, something like that, that means that you're in radian mode, not degree mode. So you want to make sure you're changing your calculator to degree mode.